Hello guys, welcome to Burger King Industries. I'm Erick A. Here my manager, my crew members. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Whopper. So for the first step, you're gonna wash your hands. You're gonna get them real clean. You're gonna grab the napkin. Tear it off. Use the hand sanitizer. And put on some pair of gloves. Alright, let's go make the Whopper. Alright, ready? So you go. The second step, you put down the bread to warm it up. It usually takes like 10-15 seconds. Now let's make the Whopper. You grab the wrapper. The first thing you do, you put mayo. You put mayo like this. I'll usually scoop it around like that. It's pretty good. And you got this amount of lettuce, like that size, handful size. 2 tomatoes. Usually I grab the 3 perfect greens, which are these perfect. 4 pickles. And then the meat. Make sure you grab your clamps so your hands or your gloves don't get greasy. And next, cheese. 2 slices of cheese. And lastly, ketchup. And that's how you make the Whopper.
For the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da